Is your AirPods battery draining too quickly? You're not the only one. This is a common problem, especially with older models or after software updates. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix or improve the battery life step by step. Solution 1. Reset the AirPods. Resetting the AirPods are the first and most surefire way to solve issues with battery drain. But first, you need to forget your AirPods. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap Bluetooth. In here, find your AirPods and tap the eye icon next to it. Select Forget this device and confirm your action. After this, get your AirPods. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPods model, you will need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After that, time has passed. The light of your AirPod will flash red and then white. That means reset is complete. For the model I'm holding, it has a touch response. So if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case. Then you will have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, try to connect the AirPods and see if your problem is fixed or not. Solution 2. Enable optimized charging. Optimized charging doesn't only help you with your iPhone's charging problems, but it also works out for your AirPods. So you should enable this feature from your settings. Go to Settings, tap Battery, then tap on Battery Health and Charging. Toggle on Optimized Battery Charging. Solution 3. Update your firmware. Backdated AirPod firmware can cause issues like fast battery drain. AirPods firmware updates automatically when charging near a connected iPhone. Then go to your iPhone settings. Tap Bluetooth. Now tap the eye next to your AirPods. Make sure to remember the model name of your AirPods here. After that, tap Version. See if the firmware version is backdated or not. To check, tap on the support.apple.com link over here. This will show you all the details of the latest AirPods firmware versions. Make sure that your AirPod model and its firmware version matches the one shown here. If it's outdated, leave your AirPods in the case. Plug the case into a charger. Place it near your iPhone and connect to Wi-Fi. It should update on its own overnight. Now, in case your AirPods are still draining fast, there could be some underlying issues. If your AirPods are over 2 to 3 years old, the batteries may simply be worn out. Lithium-ion batteries degrade over time, and Apple doesn't replace just the battery. You'd need a battery service or replacement pair. If your warranty has expired, you can get battery service from Apple or opt for AirPod replacement services, which can sometimes be cheaper. Hope this video was helpful. See you in the next tutorial.